Internet, whoever said Minnesota's boring. We have canyons. Back. Walking off the hangover today. King takes pictures of his very expensive camera. Look. Oh, nervous holding my phone over this. I want to drop it. Expensive. Look, cool thing. Walking around Hastings all day. Take a picture while everything's melting. I got Mr. Pro photographer over here. This little abandoned railroad bridge. So King, you want to see the geocache that's over here? There's a geocache, a real dick of a geocache. Spent like 20 minutes looking for it. Where is it? On it last year. Oh look, a cave.
Hey, can you download them?
Me and Keith got it a little bit down here. You can, it's dangerous. Yeah, that kind of creeps me out. So, right over here. So I go, what's this little thing? Oh, put your hand down here. Wait a second. It's not there anymore. Oh.
Sure it's not the other end?
No, it was right in here.
You sure?
Yeah, I was sure. Hey, you must have took it out. Oh wait. No. Wait, hold on, is that it? I think.
Broke it.
It's a little...
Probably got found the last time they opened this thing up.
Nope, I got it. There we go. And the geocache. Little magnetic thing. Oh, look, isn't it a dick? Yeah. Yeah, so. It's kind of cool. There's a cave over here, too. Have you seen the cave? Is it in this area? There's a cave. I gotta remember where it is. My camera stopped recording for some stupid reason. I got a text message, and it sucks. But I need a better camera to do these. Okay, cave time. Where's the cave? The cave. Somewhere over here. It's a beautiful day out. Oh, so I'm so glad everything's melting. Cave. Where are you, cave? Oh, it's somewhere over here. Ta-da. Oh, I think I see where it is. It's over here. Yes. The cave of magical wonders. Right? Yep, right down here. Ugh. Danger. Hey, oh, my pants are falling down. Look, a hole. It's all melted. Let me come around over here. Oh, and another hole. Okay. So we're going to try to climb down this without killing myself. Oh boy. And we have a cave. Kind of cool. A little more. Oh boy. Equilibrium from all the St. Paddy's Day drinking is still not returned. Watch out for the bear! It's gonna get you. The bear! Oh. Ah. No one shit. No bear shit in there. Is the bear shit in the woods? Good question. Only the bear would know.
Oh, God! So big! Where's that bear?
The bear! Oh, it's all slushy and goopy.
Hey, you didn't believe me. You're like, oh, yeah, not slushy at all. Hey, I'm in my tripod.
Your tripod? Oh, God, it's so slushy in here. Yeah, there's a beer can over there.
See that?
Well, I guess
take a longer exposure on this one.
Oh, I think that's enough of my daily rambling for today. Maybe do something. No, I work tomorrow. I'm taking a break from YouTube tomorrow. That sounds like a good idea. Until next time, guys. Peace out. I had a little bit the video. Forgot about this. This is an old, I want to say grain mill. It's just kind of down here by the creek. Very old. Back in like Hastings, goes back from 1850 was when it was established, an old town. So that's cool. And then you got the hoodlums. It's graffiti. More graffiti. Over there across there's graffiti. It's a little shithead. But so I just did this little extra, put this in here to kind of show a little history. It's pretty cool. But now I'm done. So until next time, guys, take care.